have recently created a Discord bot which is going to engage my gaming community automatically. So I run a gaming community on Discord named Game Zone, and every day I want to send multiple messages on my community. And do you think that I'm just going to send this manually? No, I've created a Discord bot using Gemini. This Discord bot is going to send daily messages on my community to engage my community. And in this video I'll show you how you can also build this Discord bot yourself. So to do this, you just have to create this amazing automation, and just give me 5 minutes of your time and I'll show you how you can build this Discord bot for free and step by step. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard inside Pabbly Connect, log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. This means that you can create this Discord bot for free and send up to 100 of messages on your gaming channel or on your community for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. Okay, so now let's see how we can create this amazing automation. So for that, this is the most important window for automation, because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as scheduled by Pabbly. For the event, select it as scheduled workflow and click on this connect. And noticing how often do you want to run your workflow? So it totally depends upon you if you want to run it every day at regular intervals, once, days of the week or days of the month. So if you want to select days of the week, so you can select the same. You can choose the dates on which you want to run this workflow. If you select dates of the month, you can choose the dates on which you want to run this workflow. And if you select every day, you can simply run this workflow every day. You just have to choose the time right over here. So I want every day at 1 p.m. this workflow should run. So I've selected the same and click on this save, and you're going to see yes, my workflow is scheduled for every day at 1 p.m. Now before we create a Discord bot, I want to share daily gaming tip. Okay, and in order to generate this tip, I'm just going to use Gemini. If you want to send a same message every day, you can skip this AI step and directly add Discord after this schedule. I'll let you know further how. Like, let's say I want to generate daily gaming tips. So for that, I'm just going to use Gemini. So let me click on this add new action step, search for Gemini right over here and select the same. For the event, I'm just going to select it as generate content, click on this connect, and now if you've already created this connection, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection, go on this Google AI Studio. You have to get the API key in order to use Gemini. Okay, so to get the API key from the left of the side, go on this get API key section, and over here you have to click on this create API key button. Then you have to name your key, select the project and click on this create a key button, and your key will be created. Then you can just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow, and your Google AI Studio will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to go on this select existing connection and then save. Now my Google AI Studio is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now it is asking me for the text, which is the prompt using which we're going to generate the daily gaming tip. So I'm just going to copy the prompt from my previous workflow right over here and paste it. If you also want this amazing prompt, just comment prompt, and I'm just going to share you this prompt. I'll just let you know that this prompt is specifically for my gaming community, and if you are running some another community on Discord, you can simply give this amazing prompt to ChatGPT, Gemini or any another AI tool and ask the same AI tool to generate you the prompt like this for your own gaming community or your own some another community. Make sure to include all the details you want in the prompt. The most accurate prompt, the more accurate results you will receive. Okay, so as you can see, this is the amazing prompt which I've entered. I have to select the model, so I'm just going to choose the model right over here. So let's say I'm just going to use the model as, let's just choose it as Gemini 3.5 Flash. You can choose it according to your own choice, like the method as generate content, and click on the save and send test request. Once Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, it is going to give me the response, and we're going to see we have received this message. Happy high noon crew, if you have been waiting for a sign to break that losing streak, this is it. As you can see, this is the message which we have received, and we're just going to share it on Discord. So for that, click on this add new action step and choose Discord over here. And let's say you don't want to send new message daily, you just want to send a same type of message, then you can eliminate this Google AI Studio step and directly add this Discord. I'll show you how. So you just have to choose Discord over here for the event selected as send channel message and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, make sure that your Discord account is logged in before starting with your automation. Then click on this add a new connection and then connect with Discord. Now you have to make sure that this account is logged in, otherwise it is going to first ask you to log in your account. And after your account is logged in, you just have to scroll right over here, choose the server and click on this continue and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe and secure with us, no need to worry. Now Discord is connected with Pabbly Connect. As soon as I gave all the permissions, it is asking for the webhook and the webhook token. So you have to get the webhook ID and the token. So to get this, you just have to open your Discord. As you can see that this is the channel in which I want to share the gaming tips. So I'm just going to go towards the settings of the same channel. Now from the left hand of the side, go on the integrations of the same channel and go on this webhooks. Now you're going to see these are all the webhooks. You have to click on this new webhook button and a webhook name something like this will appear in front of you. If you want, you can simply update the name right over here. Let's say I'm just going to enter it as new message, and if you want, you can simply update this name, otherwise keep it as same only. Copy the webhook URL and click on the save changes. Now just open your workflow and paste the webhook URL which you copied in this webhook token field. So now what is going to happen is everything after this number and slash is the webhook token. So delete, and this is the webhook token and the rest is the webhook ID over here. I'll just let you know what is webhook ID. So only this number is webhook ID. So delete the slash before and after this number. So now we have the webhook ID and now we have the webhook token and we are good to go. It is asking for the message text. So Gemini has generated it, so I'm just going to enter the same. Over here, if you have eliminated this Gemini step, you just have to type the message yourself like this and you are good to go, okay? But if you have used AI, you can simply map the message. Mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. When we insert the data from the previous step, it becomes dynamic and changes with every new response. So if Gemini is going to generate the message, it is going to generate the new message every day, so it is going to change every day, so it's just going to map it. Put a slash and then simply map the same. If you want to enter the same message every day, just type it, do not map it. Now just select the text to speech. I'm just going to keep it as false. If you want, you can enter the bot name right over here, and if you want, you can simply enter the bot icon too and then click on the save and send test request button. You can see we have received the positive response that we've successfully sent the message. So let me just open my Discord and let me just check this new message right over here. You can see we have received this new message, and yes, this is the magic. This is the power of automation which we have built now. So now every day at 1 p.m. this workflow is going to run. Gemini is going to generate the message and share it on our Discord community. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check that out too. If you want prompt, just comment prompt, and I'll see you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.